This video is sponsored by Noragon, the commercial vehicle data experts. Visit Noragon.com to learn more.
These reviews, man, all these internet reviews. We got a review on our shop from someone we recently serviced. I can't tell if he's mad or like excited or happy or furious, or I have no idea.
What's it say?
Okay. I don't know how to pronounce some of this, so I hope I'm reading it. I don't know. Fleet fam. I am here to say my fleet stands this repair shop no cap. High key, this place hits different than some of the other local shops. And then in parentheses, IYKYK, that's all lowercase. I don't know. Get your trucks fixed here and they'll perform like the GOAT. Not planning to ghost this shop anytime soon. They're living rent-free in this fleet's head.
Sounds like that review came from a Gen Z customer. Here, I can translate. To whom it may concern, I have received satisfactory results from the repairs carried out by your shop. This place is unique and exemplary compared to the rest of the local facilities providing similar services. Should any other readers choose to get their heavy-duty vehicles repaired here, I can guarantee the provided services will exceed your expectations and your trucks will run at their best. We plan to return to this shop for future fleet needs and advise you do the same.
Well, that's fantastic. I mean, why didn't they just write that? How did you get that from this?
Our generation just talks different. It's just a different vocabulary, but the review's great, so win-win.
No cap, right? Hi everyone, welcome to FE's Data Center, the series that aims to make truck data approachable. I'm Jason.
And I'm Tess. Every shop has a slightly different way of getting the job done, but what might work for one shop might not go over so well with the other. This really made it especially difficult in the past for equipment manufacturers, service providers, fleets, and repair shops to communicate and work together on a shared end goal. The communication gap caused operations to be prone to miscommunication.
Yeah, it's like different generations trying to communicate through weird jargon, right? We all need to be able to understand what everybody's saying. So that's why, in 1970, the American Trucking Association developed the Vehicle Maintenance Reporting Standards, or VMRS, to provide a singular, concise, and consistent coding that could be understood universally throughout the industry.
VMRS is an abbreviation or synopsis for maintenance reporting, which eradicates the requirement for lengthy written details that oftentimes leads to misinterpretation anyway.
That's right. These codes are updated on an as-needed basis by ATA's Technology and Maintenance Council. VMRS can be used at any level and includes most equipment found on today's roads, like trucks, tractors, trailers, off-road vehicles, shop equipment, you name it. Tracking part failures can become an easier task for technicians and shop managers with the tools provided by VMRS. It simplifies the process utilizing that coding taxonomy. No unnecessary details, just the facts, the required information.
While it's been in use for decades, it's good to refresh your team on the nuances behind the coding process. Made up of 9 digits total, VMRS codes are clumped into 3 sections. The first section identifies the system's code. The middle section describes assembly of the product, and the third section identifies the component or parts.
That's right. It's important to learn this code language because the magic of VMRS is that it organizes truck service events into uniform data that can be analyzed and used to bring down repair costs. And it also ensures that everyone working on your trucks are speaking that same language, leaving little room for misunderstandings.
What are the most important VMRS codes to know inside and out? Well, let's turn to some pros at Noragon to find that one out.
Vehicle Maintenance Reporting Standards, better known as VMRS, is a structured coding system used when servicing commercial vehicles. VMRS can be used at any level, from total operating systems down to the individual part level. There's currently over 60 different codes in the VMRS. such as Code Key 14, which explains the reason for the repair and what brought the customer into the shop today, or Code Key 15, which explains the work that was performed on the vehicle. Some codes even go as far as identifying assemblies, components, or even technician fault comments, such as bent, broken, or inoperative parts. Now, by combining these 3-digit codes together, VMRS can come up with a composite code for a specific repair or part. For example, a brake lining can be identified by the following combination of the system, assembly, component codes, 013, 001, 015 respectively. Of course, this is just a quick run-through of a very vast VMRS system. But with this data, your shop system can use it to create reports on the cost of parts and labor, common equipment failures, and even some efficiency metrics such as determining the amount of time that your fleet is spending on maintenance.
Now, if we can just get something like this for the critics on our site and all these reviews, how do I even start responding to that review? I mean, do you still say for shizzle? Is that a thing?
I'll handle it. I'll just handle it. We'll see you next time.